It's eggplant and chili season again. I picked an eggplant in the vegetable garden at the door today. Let me share with you a simple home-cooked dish: fried eggplant with pork belly. First, we cut the eggplant head and tail. Then cut the eggplant into small pieces. Then cut in half. Finally, put all the eggplants, all cut into long strips like this. Cut it all and put it in a large bowl. Add a spoonful of salt. Then start to give it a good grasp and mix evenly. After grabbing well, add a spoonful of white vinegar and continue to grab well. Adding white vinegar and salt can prevent oxidation and blackening. And salt, it can also kill the excess moisture in the eggplant. After grabbing well, put aside and marinate for 10分钟. Next, prepare some fresh pork belly. We cut the pork belly into thin slices. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. 2 red peppers thinly sliced with an oblique knife. Prepare a few more green peppers. Slice it too. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Next, prepare some garlic. Let's slice it first. A small piece of ginger is also sliced. And then finally chop them all up. After cutting, put it in a small bowl and set aside. Prepare a small bowl. Add a spoonful of light soy sauce, a spoonful of dark soy sauce to improve color. Add a spoonful of sesame oil, a spoonful of oyster sauce to freshen up. A drop of sugar. Add a small amount of salt. Half a tablespoon of cornstarch. Then stir well with a spoon. Stir well and set aside for later use. The eggplant at this time has also been marinated. We can take a look. Kills a lot of moisture. Then we pour a little more water into it. Put the excess salt water in the eggplant. Clean it up. After washing, squeeze out the water vigorously. Squeeze it and put it on a plate for later use. Next, add a small amount of cooking oil to the pot. After the oil is hot, pour the pork belly down and fry until fragrant. Fry dry the moisture on the surface of the pork belly. Fry until pork belly changes color. Finally, fry the surface of the pork belly until slightly yellow. Like in the video, it's almost there. Then pour in the chopped ginger and garlic and continue to fry until fragrant. After frying the incense, pour in the eggplant. Continue to stir fry evenly. Usually when frying vegetables, we'll add a little pork belly. It tastes meaty. After frying the eggplant, add the green and red peppers. Then continue to stir fry evenly. Fry the green and red peppers until they die. After frying until it dyes, add the prepared sauce. After the sauce is put into the pot, fry. Let all the ingredients in it absorb the aroma of the sauce until the soup inside is thick. Our eggplant is ready to fry. Next, we put it out of the pot. Put it on a plate and eat it. The eggplant made in this way is very fragrant and tasty. Special meal. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. Well, today's video is shared here. See you in the next video. Thank you for your support.